Perfect, 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 perfect. Yo, everybody, this is AndreJMcClendon. Welcome to the AndreJMcClendon Show. How are you guys doing today? Man, today's a beautiful day. Also, drop a comment below, start the conversation. And I got a special present for you guys at the end of the video. So if you guys listen up throughout the video and get to the end, I got a prize for you guys. All right, let's jump in this. So this is the weekly news wrap up. I'm gonna go over commodities, crypto, and some of the indexes. And man, it has been a very big week. So, actually a few weeks. So let's jump into it. So oil, man, oil has been pounding north, been pounding bull for the last couple weeks, and man, it has been very profitable for the traders out there. So if you were looking at buying oil back in the 42s, from 42s down up to the 45 location, you would have been in major profit. But about a couple days ago, oil jumped from about $53 now up to $57. And for me, I think all commodities like oil, silver, and gold are going to go more and more higher in price. But let's follow through. So right now, you guys should be looking at the price, some resistance levels that I've drawn up for some easy resistance for oil. So basically, these are some points that oil has to hit first to break through, to hit to the higher level of the 76 before it got smashed down. And that's what ultimately I think oil's gonna go to. So, I'm not telling you what to do. It's telling you what I'm doing. It's what I think is gonna happen. So, don't take it with you whatever way you want to think it. But let's jump into the next one. So our next one is silver. So silver is one of my favorite things to invest and build wealth with. But man, silver was building a major consolidation for months, and I've been doing so much repeat buys over and over and over. And now silver broke into the 15s, into the 16s, and now is building some support right now. It may head back lower, but I think it's going to stay into the 16s and break back into the 17th location. But the next picture is basically the major buying zone where all the big money was buying over the last few months. But silver does have a long way to go. I mean, it may consolidate back down a little bit, but we'll see. Our next one is gold. Let's see if I can find the chart. Gold. Now, you're looking at gold right now. Gold is sitting at 1332. I'm so happy it broke into the 1300s. It's so amazing. And now I just drew a rectangle. This is like resistance level. This is where if it hits this location, I don't think it will stay long. It might just bounce, hit that price range, and hit down and build some support. Then may possibly break through. Don't know, but I think it's definitely heading to that range. All right. Our next one is Litecoin. Now, Litecoin's been the freaking monster. Now, I've been completely wrong about where I thought it was going to go, but now Litecoin's at $50. Man, I should have bought more, should have held on it longer, but I'm going to write this one out until it builds more of a support base before I even get into it. The next one is Bitcoin. Now, dude, Bitcoin is this is only a 15-minute chart. I didn't draw like the daily or the monthly just to show how much energy this thing's been moving. This thing has been rocking and rolling, and Bitcoin may head higher. I don't know. Crypto is his own animal, it's a beast of his own kind. So let's see. All right, so here's our indexes. Our first one's going to be the Dow. Give me a second to find the chart. See, the Dow, if you look at the last 2 months, it basically went back and got all those losses and building back up. So if you're riding the Dow up, you're pretty much hugely in profit. I shorted down and got some pips up, but I thought I'm planning for all indexes to be smashed down 50, 70, 80, 90% lower. So this is a small correction for me, but it might break its previous highs and head on north, and we don't know. Let's break it out. Our next one is the NASDAQ. Where's the NASDAQ at? Here we go. NASDAQ is making about half its losses back, is at 7,090, and it's just 7,100, and it looks like pretty bullish. It seems like it's going to go back to its previous highs. It's getting really, really close. Our next one's the S&P 500, and even that there is making massive gains. Like I did this one a little bit longer. You're able to see 1987 all the way to 2019 to see like how much. Look at the volatility now versus then. Massive movements, massive. And you know, in my opinion, this is all done through the Fed. The Fed's been feeding these companies such easy, low interest rate money, causing this bubble. And I can't wait for this bubble to prick. All right. So just to jump into some other stuff, a little turnkey, a little bit. Investing overseas. So right now the dollar's pretty high, and it's pushing other currencies lower. Not all of them, but some currencies are much lower. And you know, that's putting everything on sale. So for me, what I'm doing, for a small portion of my portfolio, I'm buying into other other countries' assets, buying their stocks, buying all their assets, and use my strong dollars to buy more. So this is an option you guys could do. I don't know if you guys want to do it or not. It's something that I love to do. I love investing. I love looking at charts. It's so much fun. But you know, if you guys have any questions about that, just drop a comment below. We can jump into it. But the one thing I want to do is I bought some Litecoin doing the transfer between accounts, and I was trying to see you guys, whoever wants to be drop a comment or start a conversation, whoever has the best conversation with me. I'll give some Litecoin. It's going to be for a week from this video to the next weekly news wrap up, and we're going to build this up and have a build conversation. We'll see what's going on. And you know, that's it, guys. I mean, if you guys want to learn how to trade, go to AndreJMcClendon.com, click Trade with Andre, watch those 2 videos and see what's good. You know, if not, you know, you can hit me up. You can talk about business and money. It's something I love to do. So, and also, you know, drop a comment, comment, so you also can see how I can get better. If you guys are not liking the context or are liking the contents, just let me know. So that's about it, man. You guys have a beautiful weekend. And I'm definitely going to chill and look at some charts later on tomorrow. So hit me up. Have a wonderful day.